Hello viewers, it's look like vertical tab are finally coming to Google Chrome on desktop. This is a much requested feature and now Google has started working on it. They are adding a feature flag for vertical tabs for testing. If we check the Chromium Jarrett page, there is now a page that adds this feature flag called vertical tabs. As you might know, browsers like Brave, Firefox and Microsoft Edge already support vertical tabs. For example, if you go to Edge and turn on vertical tab, you will see that your open tabs appear in a sidebar on the left instead of the usual row of tabs at the top. This layout is especially useful if you are using a wide screen monitor. Beside the feature flag page on Chromium Jarrett, Google is also setting things up for internal tracking. One of the new pages can track whether you have vertical tabs turned on at startup or when the setting change. So as you can tell, it's still early in development. These pages are now live on Chromium Jarrett, but the feature itself has not fully rolled out yet. We don't know exactly what it will look like when it's done. Once it's ready to testing, the feature will likely appear as an experimental flag in Chrome Canary, the early preview version of Chrome. After that, it should move through the different test channel, Canary and Dev Beta, and finally reach the stable version. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.